sasabihin mo kay mami? Happy na si Daddy, oh. May Pinoy food. Yay!
Dear Diary, welcome to RNR family!
Morning!
Morning! Today is April 12, 2025 and pupunta tayo ng Easter show. So guys, naka-Easter break na yung mga bata. Nag-end yung school nila kahapon. And start na ng Easter break. So meron silang 2 weeks na bakasyon. And ayan.
Drive and monitor systems.
Pupunta tayo ngayon sa Easter show. Hi, T!
Hi. Morning!
Morning! Are you excited?
Yes!
Ayan, tara na, sama kayo. Yan, sakay tayo ng bus, guys. Morning! First time sa bus. Tati! Kuya. Ayan. Free tong bus, guys. Or kasama na siya sa ticket.
Like daughter, like mommy.
Like daughter, like mom. Ayan.
Mimi, hawak ako kayo. Daddy?
Peel na sa ticket. Kuya. Ayan, mga banang tayo. Pero sakto lang, mabilis naman. Princess! Excited ka na? Easter show.
Dilim naman na.
Ha?
Ang dilim.
Pila lang tayo. They're here! Ito na guys, nandito na kami sa Easter show. Bag? Show bag, let's go. First order of business. Check the Easter bag.
Go to the show bag first. Mama, yun na yung kurong.
Ito, nasa harapan mo.
Ay, ito pala eh. Ikaw mayroon, para hindi ka
Oh, bro, yung ano.
ano pa ito, marami pa yan.
Bili sila ng show bag. May nabili ka?
시나몬을 저거 하얀 거 가방 있는 거랑 우리 서아 일로 와봐.
Mas malaki yung tiro.
Tati, nakabili na siya guys. Pakita mo. Let's go. Punta tayo sa mas malaking pavilion for show bag. Pero si Tati nakabili na ng Kuromi. Ayan.
Kabalik na natin.
Ha? Ayun na guys, we're here at Showbag Pavilion. Ayan. Puro mga showbag dito. Ha?
So Jen, let's show our backs
yeah,
here.
yeah.
So
This is
we got
nice.
these in Brazil.
First, we got these in Brazil.
Look,
Ah. Cute.
And then Albert got the
Look, guys. There's also a show bag for adults. What's this, Kuya?
so yeah, there's like
Crackers.
some crackers. There's pancake mix, tea towels.
Wow.
Oh, here we go, noodles.
Not only for kids. Yeah.
Yeah, not just for the
Nice.
kids.
Yeah.
But they have more. They have one that has like all skincare in there.
Oh,
Come
okay.
in,
Let's go.
bro. Us three, let's go. We'll have to show you the NRL ones.
Hi, he's looking for the Lakers.
Right at the back of the show.
May Lakers bag din, guys. Yun yung hinahanap ni Kuya.
You get to see everything.
Ayan, Lakers. Chicago Bulls.
Wow. Uy, nice.
Lakers. Is that going to be cash or card? It's card.
Ano sasabihin mo kay mami? Ano?
That's your choice. Good choice. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, we put it there. Yes.
May pump yan.
Oh my god.
Yan, bumibili naman sila ng... What's that? Show them. Candy.
The greatest show bag, what does it contain?
So you get all of the cash and then it's your choice to choose one of the items.
Choose lang. Kunak no amin.
So you have to choose.
You have to choose your choice.
Di lang siya pang bata, guys. Tingnan nyo to, meron ding mga pang adults. Like Marie Claire, Nude by Nature, Miss Coco. Nice.
The cinema roll.
Hanap tayo ng pagkain.
Kain. Ano gusto mo? Gusto ko ng
Nang,
rice.
ate, na po. Tingin tayo ng mga pwede natin kain.
Kasi sabi ko Albert dito daw, puro food truck.
Food
Doon,
truck.
doon muna tayo pag ano. Doon,
Saan?
doon.
Alright, let's go.
Para makita na.
Happy na si Daddy, oh. May Pinoy food. Ayan.
Uy, may mga
Let's go. Yan ang gusto mo?
Yeah!
Tara. Order tayo. Over here. Ayan guys, ang daming barbecue. Nice.
Gusto ko yung grande. Yung parang kay kuya.
Hindi, same lang kayo eh. Kain tayo. Sakay daw sila, guys. Pero hindi ako sasakay. Wala akong lakas ng loob para sa mga rides. Mababasa sila dyan. Hindi, mababasa sila dyan. Sumusukay dyan?
Gusto ka sila.
Kaya nga eh. Hanap tayo ng iba. Hanap pa tayo. Pakita mo yung card. So, bibili ka ng ganito, guys, para makasakay-sakay.
giant size prizes, giant size winners on this one.
Oh, sorry, Dad, you have to go that side.
We're gonna try there, guys. Shoot your shots. Who's gonna be the next? Who's gonna be the next there, guys? Show us how it's done. What are you doing?
Lalaro si Daddy, guys.
We're gonna try there, guys. What are you doing? Everyone's going. What are you doing? Big Daddy's going.
No, thank you.
Walang practice.
Ha? Sakay kayo dyan? No way.
Ay, kuya.
Sakay tayo dito, guys. Passenger ako ni Kuya.
Yes, all right. We got one way around the track, one way. Anyway, keep them going. Running outside for too long. Right.
Hello! Passenger princess. Ayun sila, Daddy. Ayan. Kasama niya si Tata. Ha? Okay. Sige, go!
Tingnan mo. Wait lang.
Go!
Kuya, tingnan mo na, kuya. Tingnan mo, kuya.
Thank you!
That was because I had to put it out of the car open and it was stuck. Alright, guys. Pardon? Alright, guys. We finally sitting on Daddy's seat, boy.
O, Tati, lapit ka sa... May isa pa si Kuya. You're right down the side. Go.
Here you are.
It's alright.
Hi guys, I'm on our way to arrive at the Green Win a Prize. Hi guys, how's it going?
All right, you ready? I'm going to show you.
Yeah.
Sometimes stand right, equal me. Ready? All right, wait till you're ready, all right? All right, you ready? Up high, go, really hard. Lift.
Yay!
Okay, just like I showed you. Up high, ready, guys?
Yay! Very good! Good job!
Kami nakatadlaw rin siya. Hindi kita kami na-prize.
Pili kayo. Para sila kuha, matamaan ka dyan. Oh. Kapibara?
Capybara?
Yes.
Capybara?
Kuya.
Yung capybara, okay ka lang doon? Can we get the capybara? Yes.
It's got no accuracy. Good on you, big fella.
Try ni Kuya.
Kuya.
Did have a go, big fella. God, who's the next big hitter? Next big winner?
ating show. Kaunahan silang matchap yan.
Ayun, may bilog na yun. Yung tatamaan yan. Mas kabila nila. Masama na natin.
Dito tayo guys sa mga pagkain. Fresh produce. Ayun! Tignan natin mga doon! Tingnan nyo tong si Sofia guys. Sabi niya masakit yung paa niya pero nakakita ng playground. Sakit pala yung paa ha. Hey guys! Ayan, nakalimutan ko nang mag-vlog pero yung bumalik kami kanina sa... Saan tayo bumalik? Sa may loot bag. Ang tagal namin dun guys. Pero yan. Let's go. Madali. Guys, ang ganda nitong spot na to. Nag-picture kami dyan. Nanonood kami guys ng ano. Show. Lalaki ng mga kabayo. Parang ano, yung NSW Police Department.
Nakita niyo yung parada?
Wow! Nagbayag talaga yung IMG.
May naglalagyan. Pero walang tao sa loob. May naglag.
Cute guys. Nandito pa rin kami nanonood. May mga show. Hintayin namin yung... Ano na tawag doon, Beck? Ha? Waterfront. Tati!
Ayun na, kuya.
Hala, oh!
Yan yung kanina.
Yung parada na.
Nahilo na. Ayun na. Ayan na yung ano.
Hello guys, ito po yung nabili ko. First, ito muna po.